Hi everybody, John from Deck Masters of South Florida. I'm down here at the Ritz-Carlton Pompano Beach Sales Center where they're going to build the luxurious Ritz-Carlton residences in the very near future. We built this structure a few months back and we've let the oil seep into the epay, and now we had sanded and put some new oil on the epay and it looks brand new. I just want to take a quick lap around here and show you what it looks like. I hope you enjoyed taking a look at the Ritz-Carlton Residences in Pompano, the sales center that we helped transform, wrapping it in luxurious epay. We've given it a final sand and oil and it looks brand new. If you like this project and like to see more photos from the project or see some of our new projects, please visit us at www.deckmastersofsouthflorida.com.